Lawyers. What's the worst case of, you should have mentioned this sooner you've experienced? My first ever hearing as an attorney was a Social Security disability appeal, and let me tell you, it was a disaster from the start. My client had been crushed at work a few years ago, leaving his entire left side of his body mangled. On top of that, he suffered from PTSD after witnessing his dad's suicide as a child, and he had a whole laundry list of both mental and physical health issues. And of course, I got the biggest jerk of a judge the SSA had. There's an unspoken rule in court. You don't interrupt someone's opening statement. You let them talk, and then you respond. But I barely got 3 sentences into my opening before the judge cut me off. He screamed over me, "You forgot one. What about the drug abuse disorder? When was the last time your client did heroin?" I froze for a split second, shot a glare at my client, and then, without missing a beat, I replied, "Well, Your Honor, I didn't mention his drug abuse similar to how I didn't mention his prediabetes or seasonal allergies. It's not relevant to his ability to work. He hasn't abused drugs in years, and he admitted to using them as a way to cope with his mental health disorders, which he's gained much better control over since he started counseling." Honestly, I was proud of that response. And then, after my client won the case, I called to tell him the good news. His girlfriend answered and informed me that he was in jail for the next 36 months for stealing a car. What a ride.